I wish to acknowledge Bathurst Vinduri Aboriginal Community elders who are the traditional custodians of the land on which I walk on and pay my respect to the elders past, present and emerging. This place is a Mekaiti Park in Bathurst. To start with, I'll discuss the importance of place. As discussed by Palo in A Pediology of Ecology, that how important it is to create a sense of place and how the children follow or connect to the environment around them. Also, Palo mentioned that we have to look below the surface and move to place to know deeply. So that is what I did by going to place. As I start walking, I started linking this place to the language of mathematics. Mathematics, it's not just about numbers. It also includes shapes, patterns, measurements and geometry. While moving on this place, different concepts of math caught my attention. While walking through, I realized that shapes are everywhere. I tried to see how big the tree was and was split into different parts and continuing to this pattern as it is given. As discussed by Hamsi, Brusher's theory of being present in place and that being present in place offer unexpected, unpredictable ways of learning. Math is a subject we learn growing up, and it is a foundation of majority of things that we do in our life. While walking on grass, I realized that there are different shapes and patterns on trees. There were circles, square lines, curved lines, broken lines on the trees. Every tree was having different pattern and shape. In terms of volume, some trees were having different bigger volume and some were having less volume. On the grass, I found the seeds having different shapes. I found different branches of tree on the ground. Also in terms of measurement, some tree branches were bigger and some were smaller. I can also see that some were thin and some were thicker. Not only I noticed different shape but also noticed different weight. The weight of branches was different. So around the tree, there were branches, seeds, having different shapes, weight and height. While walking, I did more exploration. Then I came across the birds. A bird who is having different shape of feathers and also the size of feather was different. It looks like that someone have picked that bird and draw the pattern on it, because the bird were having different patterns on it. By seeing this, I realized that maths is everywhere and we have been learning about it from very young age without even noticing. Everything in nature consists of math in their own ways, which we hardly notice until we deeply connect to the place. While standing there, I saw the sky. Like a child, I started thinking how the distance between the sky and earth is. Also, while walking, I found a tree who is split into different angles. Also, while walking, I came across different shapes and patterns, rocks on the ground. So this was all my connection to the place and land where I walk. Thank you.